That is a big discussion, the relation between human being and the environment. We probably can solve health problem in the short term, but for the long term, solving the problem, we need to be friends with the environment. They are part of us and we are part of them. We are not separated from them. They are not our enemy. Something that in the environment say that, antimicrobial things, preservative, they are going to, at the end, affect us. Being away from environment, it was a time that the cycle of eating was from eating, feast, and then famine. So the energy in our muscle, then glycogen in our liver, and then fat. 200 years ago, our genes are the same as human being 200 years ago. History of human goes back to 4 to 6 million years. But from 200 years ago, our body has not changed. So, we need to see how we used to live. We used to have feast and famine. And that was a process. We are used to hunger. With not going through this process, we have an increase in cancer and also microbiome change. For example, contact with the environment. How many years ago we have shoes? 100 years? Before that, we didn't have shoes or no non-conductive shoes. Now, it is not conductive. Did you know that the connection with the environment is very important? Now we are not connected to the earth. While for perfect regeneration of our new cell, we need to be in contact with earth. Feel the energy from earth coming to your body. That gives a lot of energy. You can do the same with barefoot on grass and also sand beside the sea. Take care of this contact. This contact made our cell healthy. We have been with this contact more than 6 million years ago. Now, around 100 years, we have lost this contact. So we can see the effect. We are part of the environment. They are part of us. That's an important point to remember. We need to clean water, beaches, and green space. That is important. The environment is very important. For human healthy life on earth, we need to make peace with the environment and all animals in the environment. They are not alone. They are not alone.